It really felt like I was, one of those people I wanted to grow up to be. Yeah, my name's Mike Falater. I'm a senior attorney with Lex Technica and IEP Defenders. After my mother passed away, my father was in custody. I needed a lot of different attorneys. Of course, I didn't know that. I was 12, but people that were, friends of my parents that were able to step in and donate time and help out in ways that they could to, represent my father, that represent my sister and I when we were going through our placement. And some of these things I didn't even realize until I became an adult who was involved and who was helping. And that was really inspirational for me. I truly did want to be like them. Oftentimes, I don't necessarily meet the actual child that I'm helping. There was one case where I was able to work with the family through the due process, and a month later, I did end up meeting the family and the child, and it was really special to me. Of course, the child was, 7 or 8 and didn't understand my role, and that's fine. But it really felt like I was, one of those people I wanted to grow up to be.
I was just finished trying out in the NFL, and my wife told me I had to go get a real job. So a friend, sort of a mentor that's a judge in Hawaii, and he really encouraged me to look into it. Decided to roll the dice and see how it went, and I've enjoyed my career so far.
I kind of joke around that I was destined to be a lawyer. So my parents are both in law, and so as their firstborn, it was kind of like, okay, you're going to law school. But after I did debate in high school, I just completely fell in love with it. How the law really impacts people every day and every type of person has been really fulfilling.
So I had the opportunity to join IEP Defenders last November. I had recently come through a really difficult and long divorce. I had developed such an affinity for people who are in vulnerable situations. I had to navigate the legal system through a long and grueling process. When I knew that IEP Defenders was going to help families in this way, and it was going to give them the strength of the law to help advocate for the most vulnerable in our society, which are not only children, but special needs children, that was something that I wanted to get behind.